welcome back to DIY with Dewey. Today I wanted to show you all the 4 O2 sensors, the lambda sensors that are on the Acura ZDX. So this is the first generation 2010 to 2013 Acura ZDX. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. Right, your hood's right here. Latch is release catch right here. And then the head prop holds up by itself. There's only one on this car. Okay, so bank 2 sensor 1 is up here on the bottom near the radiator. Is bank 2 right there. So that is bank 2 sensor 2. So we're gonna go back up to the engine and I'm gonna show you right there. Do you see right on by the firewall right there? That's bank 1 sensor 1 right there. Bank 1 sensor 2 is pretty difficult to reach. It is located right there. Do you see it? It's between the drive shaft and the J pipe. Here's a diagram of all the parts and where the O2 sensors are mounted.